So hi, my name is Victor Jager, and I'm the head of business performance at Lovebox, which means I'm in charge of all things analytics related, as well as coordinating the strategy across all functions and departments of the company. So at Lovebox, our mission is to nudge people into nurturing their relationships. And this is why we developed an app that helps people to take care of their close ones. This app is paired with a hardware product that allows users to send messages to their relationships in an original way. And as a fast growing startup, data is becoming more and more important. And this is why we trusted Hevo to get us to the next step. So our main data challenge was that our data was spread all over the world. So our customer care data was stored in Zendesk, our product data was stored in Amplitude, our sales data was stored in Shopify, and so forth. The issue with this approach is that our data was not integrated, our tools were not communicating with each other, and it was then impossible for us to know the entire path or journey a user or customer was taking with us. So to do transversal analysis, we had to do manual extract from our different data sources and then do the analysis in a very heavy spreadsheet. This was not only time consuming, but also very limited in terms of the amount of data we were able to use and to analyze at the same time. So this is why we wanted to create a centralized data warehouse that would be integrated with all of our data sources to eventually allow those transversal analysis. We wanted to pick a no-code data pipeline platform as we are a small team and our time and resources are very limited. I discovered Hevo on Google while I was looking out for solutions. And I really liked the approach Hevo was offering, but most importantly, I was impressed by the amount of integrations Hevo was offering. So I've seen a lot of similar companies, chatting with a lot of companies, and none of them would offer the same amount of possible connection as Hevo. And importantly enough, Hevo is also very competitive in terms of pricing as they have different scales. So they don't overcharge you for something you don't use. So in just 3 months, so far, we've built 14 pipelines that integrate with 5 different data sources and 1 data destination. So we are now using BigQuery as our data destination, which is being used as a data warehouse, and Data Studio to build our dashboards. Now, looking at the benefits we got out of all this, this allowed us to make data analysis we were not able to do before. So to give you some concrete numbers, there are 22 different analyses we are now making and that were not doable before. This also represents 4 Data Studio dashboards, and all this in only 3 months with 1 FTE not even working full-time on this project. I would say that the 2 best things I would take out of Hevo are, first of all, the fact that it's really easy to use and to implement. As I said, within less than a month, we had our centralized database. And the second thing is Hevo's support team who is there to help you implement the tool, but also use the solution. So to conclude, I would say that if you are in the same situation as Lovebox was a few months ago, which means that you currently have no data integration and are looking for a way to centralize all of your data into one place, do not hesitate and go for the Hevo solution.